In this video, you'll see how I make the 3 desks and install them from start to finish. Hello, so I'm in the workshop. I'm sat on the Supermill F84 by Bionica Systems, UK manufacturer of CNC machines and robotics. Brilliant company, not sponsored, but I just like their kit. Hopefully we'll do some awesome projects in the future and see what they can do in terms of sponsorship. James, if you're watching. Anyway, so we're here in the workshop. I'm going to slap a piece of plywood on and we're going to cut a customer order of desks from 1 sheet of plywood. So when I was designing this sheet, it was a learning process to figure out if I can get the maximum amount of pieces with the minimum amount of wastage out of a sheet of plywood. So I think I've managed to do it. We've got 1 desk in the office and I've had an order for 3 more. So in this video you'll see how I make the 3 desks and install them from start to finish. So I've laid out all the components onto the 8x4 sheet, and I'll zoom in a little bit to show you the preview of the toolpath. This is what the file's going to look like after it's been cut. So load it into Mac 3 and then press go and it's ready to run. And off it goes.
Afraid won't let you fall, girl. Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl.
In the last shot you just saw me unloading the bed of the machine, sweeping it off and clearing all the dust. Next job is to take sandpaper and take off all the little furry bits around the edges, ready for its build up and assembly before we can then just slot the parts together on site. So that was my video on turning one sheet of ply into a desk. Thanks very much for watching, hope you enjoyed it. So don't forget to like, subscribe and check out all my other videos. Thanks very much.